Hello, hello. Sunday, God is on top of the hill, and gardens on top of the hill. I'm on the other side of the hill today, not on the side where we're trying to get the project going. Yeah, I wanted to talk to you today about this. I think it's interesting for me because I didn't think of it in the sense that when I saw what I saw, I started thinking of it. So, here where I live, in this part of South Africa where I live, I don't know about other parts of South Africa, but here where I live, peas do well around this time, autumn, winter. Peas thrive. It goes like it's beautiful. It starts getting problems around spring. It's in summer. It's problematic. Anyway, so I went around the nurseries in my area, in my area, looking for seeds for peas. None. I looked and looked and looked, none. Looked and looked and looked, none. And then what I ended up doing is I ended up buying trays, seedlings of peas. But the problem with buying the trays, I would say they are a bit expensive because for a packet of maybe 20, 30 seeds, which would be about 25 rands, which is almost just about $1 in US currency, or just above $1 in US currency. Then I would buy a tray of seedlings, which has like 6 seedlings in it, for almost about the same amount of money. And that was like, anyway, I bought the trays because I wanted to plant peas, and then I transplanted the peas. I think I made a video of that. If not, I'll show it to you guys another time. But it is not here at our old house. It is at the new parcel of land in the rural that I bought, where I'm trying to get all the gardening and animals and whatever going. Anyway, long story short, I'm at a supermarket going about doing my own business. And then I noticed that there was a packet of peas, small packet of peas. It's here in my fridge. Let me get it out, show it to you now. This, I saw this, and I was like, peas. I've been looking for seedlings. And then guess what I noticed as well when I saw this packet of peas? It is sprouting. And I was, why didn't I think of this? That I must just go and buy a packet of peas and then use it as seeds, Anyway, yeah, so I ended up buying this. Let me show it to you properly. Buying this. As you can see it is sprouting. So I'll be putting a whole lot of them on that front raised bed, and a whole lot of them will go to the new the other side of the hill. I think it's best when I say that, the other side of the hill, Yeah, so yeah, I don't know. There's gonna be a lot of them other side, because I've got 2 parcels of land in the rural areas, and then we still have this house here. So, but though there will be less of gardening here and all of that, and more of it on the rural, because there's no monkeys there, even though there's goats and all that, but that's much more easier to manage and obstruct than with the monkeys. Anyway, this is the topic. So yeah, so I ended up buying this, which was about the same amount as the packet of as a tray of 6 seedlings of peas. But as you can see, this is 100 grams of peas. I mean, I have more than 100, I think. I don't know, I didn't count them, but I think I have more than 100 here. So that's a lot of plants that will produce a lot of other peas. from my previous harvest of peas, I had saved some seeds, and I put them on a glass jar. But when we were renovating this house, a whole lot of things went upside down, and because we had to put a lot of things from the house in the garage, and then all that stuff. So I don't know where those seeds are. They are somewhere. We'll find them when we find them, and we'll use them when we use them. But I just wanted to share this with you, that if you don't find the actual seed packets from wherever you source your seed, you can actually buy this one. That's I don't know how to say, the fresh one to be eaten or whatever, and use it as your seed. I don't know how great it will do or how well it will do, but yeah, I just wanted to share this with you guys and say, this is what happened when I was looking for seed for peas. So yeah, I hope that this will help a lot of you who, like me, maybe you've been looking. I know, like sugar beans. I think they call sugar beans, the brown beans. I can buy them from the shop. Let me just say this. If I want to plant beans, I can just do this. Let me see if we have them in this house. We might not have them. I don't remember when last I bought beans. And we don't have them. Okay. Wife is calling. Anyway, I was still saying that, like with sugar beans. So with sugar beans, what we normally do, we buy it like 2 kgs or 5 kgs, and then we cook and cook and cook. So whenever I want to plant beans, I can just take a handful from that same beans that we cook, use it to plant and all that. But for some reason, I never thought to do the same with the peas, which, like I said, is like interesting for me, because I should have thought of it, but I didn't. Anyway, Sandile here, the guy who lives on top of the hill, and gardens on top of the hill. Have a good one. Have a good one. Have a good one. And do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment on the videos. I am out.